Hello guys, and in today's video we're going to be testing out the GoPro Hero 11 Black and its capabilities. So right now this is 5.3K, 30 frames per second with a wide view angle. It is quite bright outside and I'm going in and out between the sun's light and shadows. This is the wide angle view and I'm just going around on my bike here. I'll even do a little test to see what the exposure sets. Let me get right in front of the sun. Alright, so the sun is right behind me. Yep, that's the sun. So tell me how it looks. These are a couple photos in 5K and a wide angle digital lens. As you can see in great detail in all the photos and see different textures. Another thing to talk about is the battery that comes with the GoPro. The GoPro Hero 11 Black comes with a GoPro Enduro battery, which is marked by this white or in some cases a blue outline on the back ends of the battery. The battery also features a pull tab, so you can pull it out of the GoPro really easily. There's a 4-pin connector, and you have to make sure that you get it right. The text will face the back screen of the GoPro when you slide in the battery. The battery tends to last about 1 hour and 20 minutes after a good session of recording on 5K at 24 frames per second. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.